So it's past 9 p.m. and everyone's left. And I've thought about what I should be doing tonight. Let's do something productive, like coding. Don't worry, I will guide you. Since no one's around, we should have a drink. And I have my hip flask over here. What we are doing right now is one of the easiest questions in LeetCode, and it's also one of the most popular. So we are given an array of integers, and we need to find two of these numbers that add to a specific target. And there will be only one single answer. Let's look at the constraints. So let's just imagine that we are doing a brute force method, and in a brute force method we will be using a nested for loop, which will result in big O of n squared time complexity, which is not what we want. So what this question is trying to test us is that if we have any of this fundamental data structure knowledge, and I would say that this is actually a hash table question. A hash table is a data structure for key value pairs, and in Python we can initiate it using curly brackets. It's basically a data structure for us to just store a key and a value. And why would we need this? Is to store previously traversed values. Let's say in this case we will need to iterate through every single number in the list. So my favorite method would be to use enumerate. So what enumerate does, it will give us both the index and the value of the array. And since we are looking for the target value, we can simply find the complement, which is the target minus the value. So after getting the complement, we should check in the hash table. In Python, we can simply do an in statement, and it would search for all the keys in this hash table in the low time complexity operation. So let's say the complement is found in this hash table. We will simply have to return in the correct format we are requesting. So I already have the index. Simply have to get the index stored in the hash table. Yes, that will be the answer. And of course, if the complement is not in the hash table, we will need to start adding current value and its index. So key will be the value, the value will be the index, and simply return. Okay, let's run this. Yeah, looks like we have just solved it. And let's do a submission. Yeah, this is a very effective and efficient runtime. Well,